Recently, I was praying about breakthrough and just wanting to see so much breakthrough in my personal life and family and ministry and for a lot of our friends. And then the Lord spoke something so powerfully to me. The Lord spoke this to me. The Lord said that so many times we're wanting breakthrough. We're wanting the big moment at the altar. We're wanting that big moment to where everything just breaks open, and I do too, and those are good. The Lord said sometimes the biggest breakthroughs happen is when people simply allow themselves to finish the process that God already started them through. Now, you've seen so many people who start in with the Lord in a process, and God is molding them, shaping them, training them, equipping them, putting them around the right people. They are aligned with God and with the right people. And then all of a sudden you can tell that they're about at the end of a process and they stop 80% through, and then they backslide or they just quit. How many people do you know have started crying and complaining and just whining about the process and how hard it is, and they don't want to grow through that, they just want to go through it? If you will learn to go through the process that God is taking you through, grow through that time, in that season that God is trying to get you from one point to another, it is a destination. Too many times in our society, we want everything now and we want everything quick and we want to get to the end of the destination. We want to get to the destiny. But I'm telling you, it is the journey that makes you stronger. That is what we need to focus on. Now, there's been times in my life when I'm going through a situation, and I've even told my wife this, I am going through a hard situation. I feel like I'm in a lot of warfare, but I know that I am growing so much. I've actually asked the Lord to extend my warfare seasons before. Who honestly asked that? The people who want something from God. You know, when you're in the gym and you've seen those guys, they're grunting and yelling on that last 1 or 2 reps, because that is when you grow. Those last few reps, it's the hard ones. They're the times that you got to push in. I'm telling you, my friends, right before your breakthrough happens, you will want to quit. You will want to stop. It will be a time when you're like, God, I can't take anymore. I'm telling you, you can make it one more day. Keep going. You're almost at the end of the process. And at the end of the process is when you will gain the most wisdom, knowledge, and understanding from God. And when you get to the other side of the process, you will say, Lord, thank you for strengthening me to get all the way through the progress, all the way through the process, all the way through. Then you will have your breakthrough. So many times people never get that breakthrough moment because they're not willing to take that one more step. They quit just a little bit short of their destination. God has an amazing breakthrough for you. And I'm telling you, my friends, there's a lot of people that are a lot closer than you think. And this is going to happen in a moment, that you're going to take that one more step, and that was going to be the last step towards your breakthrough. Don't stop. Don't quit. And please quit complaining. Nobody wants to hear you complain anymore. Understand God is strengthening you. Keep going and receive your breakthrough.